Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Mr. Simo, and today we're gonna be focusing on the most important topic of Forex trading, which is gonna be market structure. And this is gonna be the only video you're gonna need to understand market structure and get those nice clean sniper entries. So today guys, the first thing you're gonna do, you have to understand what is market structure. So market structure is whereby now the market is simply how price moves and how the market creates. So basically how it goes upwards or downwards. So we have an uptrend in the market. In an uptrend, it means that the market is making higher highs and higher lows. And when the market is going bearish, which is going downhill in a downtrend, it means now the market's gonna make higher lows and lower highs. So that's how it works. It's very easy, it's very basic. And in this video, you'll understand everything in detail. So the first thing to do and to identify a trend, you're always going to look at the 1 hour time frame. I know you'll be confused whereby there is a lot of other time frames, but trust me, the 1 hour is the best to identify a market structure. So let's get started. So the first thing now you're going to identify now. So let's look at this one, for example, the previous ones, right? So as you can see here, the market was consolidating in this area. And once it broke the structure, it started making lower highs and lower lows. So let me show you for example, right? So let me get my pathway. So as you can see here, here's a lower high and a lower low. Lower high, lower low. So this is how you identify going bearish now. So going bearish means the market is going downwards. So you're going to have a downtrend. Which means now when you see the market is going downhill, you want to get that nice sell entry on the lower high. This is your target. You don't want to be entering here at the lower low because you can get stopped out and then it will eventually go in your direction. So if you want those nice clean sniper entries, always make sure you identify the trend. After it makes that lower high, wait for it to make that lower low, and the next lower high, that will be your selling point. And now if you go looking at the market being bullish now, so when you're going bullish, it means that the market is going to be buying. So you're going to be going into a buying uptrend. So let me show you for example. Let me remove this one. So as you can see here, the market is making higher highs and higher lows. Do you see that? Consistently. So now when you are going bullish, your goal is to get buys at a higher low. So you want to try and make sure you get those nice clean buys at the higher lows, whereby you get a clean sniper entry. You won't be in so much drawdown because you just want to avoid buying on the higher high. That's whereby you'll blow your account if you're not using proper risk management. But if you're using proper risk management and you get a buy at the higher low, your stop loss can be around this area here. So let me show you. You can put a nice clean stop loss and then you can let it fly. So it's very basic, it's very easy. You always use the 1 hour time frame to spot how the market is going, like where it's going. And you the key also, you look at the previous market structure. So as you can see here, right? Let's remove everything now. So where gold is currently at now, you can see that it was making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. And now it broke that now. Now can you see how it's consolidating? So there is a possibility that gold can start changing structure. So now we can start making higher highs and higher lows. There's a very good possibility that can happen. So guys, this will be the only video you need to understand what is market structure and how the market works, because honestly speaking, this is how the market works. We move in two clear directions and nothing else. The market is always going in an uptrend or it's going in a downtrend. So that's how you spot market structure, guys. Please like and share. I will be posting more content for all the new people that are coming to Forex, and I will post more videos about liquidity, about breakout structure, fair value gaps, a lot of important things that you need, because everyone else are giving you like unnecessary things, guys. Like Forex is very simple. To be honest, all you need is market structure, liquidity sweeps, and maybe breakout structure. The simple things, guys. You don't have to confuse yourself. It's a very easy thing. You just focus on the skill, and you'll see when you're focusing on the skill, you're practicing, guys. A lot of good will come from that. Because market structure is very easy, guys. All you have to do is go on a 1 hour time frame, look at how the market is going. If you're going bearish, we know that the market is selling. You're going to spot lower highs, lower lows. And if you're going bullish, you're going to look for higher highs and higher lows, whereby the market's going upwards. So guys, please like and subscribe. I will be posting more content. Enjoy the rest of your days. Cheers.